The least common multiple of 6 and 14 is, so the least common multiple is a multiple that is common to 6 and 14. That is the smallest one. Okay, the least meaning the smallest. Therefore, now that must be a number that both 6 and 14 can go into. So that number must be higher than 6 and 14 because they have to go into that number, the smallest one. Okay, so one way of doing that is to break down 6 and 14 into its prime numbers, prime factorization, they call that. Just to recall that prime numbers are an example of prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers with only two factors, itself and 1. So 2 is the first prime number because it has only two factors, itself and 1. And 2 is the only even prime number. 1 is not a prime number because 1 has only one factor, itself. The next prime number is 3. 4, no. 4 is not a prime number because 4 has 1, 2, and 4. 4 has three factors. Being a prime number has only two factors. So 5, yes. 6, no. 7, yes. 8, no. 9, no, because 9 has 3. Apart from 1 has 3 and 9 as factors. So 9 has more than two factors. 11, 13, yes. 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 32, no. 43, no. 44, 45, 36, 37, yes. 38, 39, no, because 39 has 3 also as a factor. 39 has more than two factors. 40, no. 41, yes. 42, 43, yes. 44, 45, 46, 47, yes. 48, 49, yes. 50, 51, okay, and so forth. So all these are prime numbers. So we have to break down 6 and 14 into its prime numbers. So 6 can be written as 2 times 3. And since both 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so that's it for 6. We have to do the same thing for 14. We have to break down 14 into its prime factors. So 14 can be broken down into 2 times 7. Since 2 and 7 are prime numbers, so that's it for 14. So now what we want now is the lowest common multiple, the lowest common multiple. So what we have to ensure that the biggest number is present. So we first begin with the bigger number, the bigger of the two. So we know that 2 times 7 is 14. So we can copy and paste 2 times 7. So we are certain that 14 can go into this number because 14 can go into itself. Now we have to look to see if the smaller number can go into that number by looking at the primes. So we have a 2 there. But 6 is made up of a 2 times 3. 6 has a 3 in it, but there isn't any 3. There isn't any times 3. So 6 cannot be found in this number. 6 cannot go into this number. 6 cannot go into 14. So what is missing for 6 to be found here is a times 3, because a times 2 is there already. So you can copy and paste a times 3. So in this number, We haven't calculated yet, but we know 14 is there, which is 2 times 7, and 6 is there, which is 2 times 3. So both 6 and 14 can go into this number without a remainder. And this will be the least common multiple. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, and we have to multiply 14 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. Bring down the 2. Carry the 1. So 3 1s are 3, and 1 will give us 4. So the lowest common multiple of 6 and 14 is 42. 6 can go into 42 7 times. 6 7s are 42, and 14 can go into 42 3 times. So the least common multiple of 6 and 14 is 42.